Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online in Nigeria with no capital and with no experience. This is a simple way to make money. Many people have been asking me that how can they make money? They ask me on my private direct message and also on Facebook and also on some of my videos. On this channel, I teach you how to make money offline and online. I've been focusing previously on how to make money offline. Most of the ways on how to make money offline that I've done, more than 100, that I've done the videos about, they involve some form of capital. Some requires very small capital, some requires mid capital, some requires heavy capital. And people have been coming to ask me that their own problem now is capital. And that is why I'm making this video. I've done some research and I've come to you with this video. So I'm talking to you about how to make money online with no capital right here in Nigeria. The way I've discovered recently is using airdrops. What do I mean by airdrops? Just in 30 seconds, I will tell you what airdrop means and I'll lead you into the video proper. Airdrop basically is an advertisement by some project or companies or some individuals or some kind of business startups. So in advertising, they want people to know about the project. In wanting people to know about the project, one way to do so is to go to the social media and start paying social media people to talk about it. Like if they pay me to talk about it in this video, I will talk about it. And those who see this video will hear about it. But airdrop is not like that. What airdrop does is that it empowers the individual. Individuals, they make it in form of a game or form of task you can do on your phone, which is using the name of that airdrop company. So you'll be doing the task in the name of that airdrop company. Maybe the airdrop company is, let's assume the airdrop company is Biro, because what I have close to me now is Biro, which is also referred to as Pen. So let's assume that the name of the airdrop company is Pen. So you'll be the app they will make, you're working on Telegram will be called Pen or Biro. So by so doing, you do some tasks. So everybody is talking about it. You refer people. When you refer people and they join, you get some points. When you do some tasks, like you follow Pen, which they are called Pen or Biro, follow them on Twitter, follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook, you get some amount of points. Now, what happens is that at a particular point, maybe after 3 months or 6 months, or thereabout, or when Pen decide, they can now say, okay, it is enough. We want to now go and enlist. Now they are going to have a snapshot, which is to capture everybody who has been involved in promoting them. But you know, during that 3 months or 6 months, a lot of people have known about Pen. In fact, every time you're on your phone working with Pen at your free time, many people are doing that. So all those people have known about Pen and what they do. They follow Pen on Telegram, follow Pen on Instagram, follow Pen on their groups everywhere, on YouTube and everything. They even see some of their video. In fact, you can teach people about Pen. Why? Because of the app and the task they ask you to do. Now, at a particular time, Pen now goes ahead to list. So at this point that Pen goes ahead to list, what it means is that they will give you token. And when I'm talking about airdrops now, I'm talking about crypto airdrops. So they'll give you a token. The token is like a number of coin, which is their own crypto coin. You know, that crypto company is just coming up. So a number of coin, which is their own crypto coin. So in this case, if this is Pen, you can call it Pen coin, or they can call it Biro or Biro coin. So you'll be given a particular amount of Biro coin, maybe 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, depending on what they want to do. Rocky Rabbit have done their own. They gave out 600,000. They gave me 600,000 Rocky Rabbit coin, which is not much when it's converted, because the amount that which you do the conversion is so small. The listing price is so tiny. Hamster Combat gave me 1,575, and that is even higher in monetary terms than what Rocky Rabbit gave. What Rocky Rabbit gave is very, very significant, just maybe 5,000 or 6,000, while Hamster Combat gave me about 20,000 Naira, which when I convert their coin to Naira. Now, so when you do that project for a while, after a while, then you get paid. And when you get paid, then you go ahead and then you withdraw your money and spend it, or you can reinvest it and allow it to appreciate, because crypto do appreciate. A small crypto today will become a big crypto tomorrow, and they appreciate very, very rapidly. So this is one way that people use this crypto airdrop. So there are many crypto airdrops. Many crypto companies are coming up. The essence is that many type of cryptos have come up, and then they failed. They are just there. They call them crypto, but nobody is buying, nobody is selling. It's just like share. You have a share, a kind of share, a dead kind of share. Nobody is buying it, nobody is selling it. Over 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, nobody is buying, nobody is selling. Or maybe one person is buying or one person is selling, and thereabout in a whole lot of time. Whereas there are some shares which are well known. Everybody want to own a share, want to have a piece, a bite of that share. So what the people do is that they go ahead and every day that kind of share make billions and billions in turnover daily. People are buying and people are selling. Now, this is what these crypto airdrops want. These crypto airdrop projects want their cryptos also to do. Let's take, for example, the Biro coin. What they want to do is they want people to know about Biro coin and also to buy and sell Biro coin. Remember, they gave you the Biro coin for free after you have done a series of tasks. Let me also tell you that these people, they are not pumping money into it. What happens is that they have designed the site and they have made the coin and everything. Now, the task you are doing, you go to YouTube, you watch this, you go to this, you do this, all those tasks is engagement for them and they make money for them. Some of the games you play on Biro coin, which I'm using as an example now, some of those games are paid for by the owners of the game. The games are not owned by Biro coin. So the owners of the game send the game into Biro coin and then Biro coin promote it. And by so doing, they make a lot of money. So these are some of the ways by which you can make money. So when the crypto airdrops list, then you get a bite of the listing price. You get a bite when they list. Let's assume that you are given 2,000 Biro coin. And when Biro coin listed, they listed for $0.1. So you multiply $0.1 by 2,000 naira, by 2,000, which is going to give you $200. $200 for free for just tapping and doing some tasks on your phone for 3 months. But remember, it is not 3 months work. What it means is that the work you do can be 10 minutes per day or 5 minutes per day, depending on how seriously you take it. So this is how simple it is. So this is one way. So you can do crypto project A, you can do crypto project B, crypto project C, crypto project D, crypto project E, F, G, H, and so on and so forth. So the more crypto projects you do, the more money you are going to be able to make. So in the link of this, in the description section of this video, I will drop like about 10 crypto projects that are ongoing now, so that you can click it and then you can join, and then you can also start making money. So when you click it, you join, you take it to Telegram, then you join. You need data on your phone, you need a phone that has Telegram. So when you click on that link, it will take you to Telegram. Then you start and then you just watch everything, the interface, follow the instruction, and especially either you look for end or task, then you start doing what it has to do most of the time. So the link also will be there. They can say friend or friend. So you click it, you copy the link, you send it to your friend on WhatsApp. So your friend also link will join. When your friend joins, you see that the friend has joined below you. On the Hamster Combat, I have more than 10 referrals, and on others to have series of referrals that come into me. So the referral also is money. The amount of coins you made is money. Credit per hour or per hour is money. Then the task you do help you to make money. So all those things are the things they're going to look at, and the achievement that you make on the program. Because let's say an achievement can be that you invite 3 people, that's an achievement. When you invite 5 people, that may be an achievement. When you invite 10, 25, 50, can be an achievement that will have points and also be registered as achievement. So all these things are the things that you can do, and you don't need to pay a dime. Though some of them will ask you to pay for some things, but if you don't have money to pay, the one that has to pay, you leave them and focus on the one that does not ask you to pay a dime. Most of them usually will not ask you to pay. Hamster Combat, we did not pay any dime, but on Rocky Rabbit, we pay 0.5 ton, which is equivalent of about 6,000 naira. And eventually, what they also gave was 6,000 naira. But we are looking forward that this is crypto is going to still rise. So you get free crypto then you can sell it. When you give you a token and the list, then you can sell it immediately, or you can keep it. So if you keep it for 6 months, for 1 year, it will appreciate, then you can sell it at that time, or you can even keep it for long. Remember, when Bitcoin started, it started with like play, and then we had it was less than it was less than $1 when Bitcoin was just a few penny. That's what the cost of Bitcoin when it started. Today, Bitcoin is one Bitcoin is more than 60,000 naira or thereabout. So take advantage of crypto, and then you are going to be glad with it. So this one I'm talking about crypto airdrops. You don't need to spend any money. So this is how to make money online with no capital right here in Nigeria. But anybody anywhere in the world, also whether in India, they can also make money with no capital. Whether in Ghana, they can also use this method to make money with no capital. Whether even USA, you can make money through this process with no capital. There are many countries that have free internet connection because the house you're living, you have internet connection already. So in those places, this is a good advantage for you. Don't just, most people say their data gets wasted because they don't use it, nothing to browse, nothing to check. Now this is something that you can do at your free time. In fact, there's one, I think Zencoin. It makes you to, it's like a meditating, you are meditating. It will tell you that, it's part of the game, it's going to tell you that you should think of one time that you solve a problem, help somebody to solve a problem. So you click it, when you click it, then you start thinking, you start meditating on that for 1 minute. So then when you do that, some points are being added to you. Then you meditate on something else which will be written out to you. Then you read it and you meditate on it for 1 minute. And this helps your own life personally, because many people don't think, many people don't meditate. So that app now helps you to meditate. At the same time, you are making money. I'm sure that when you come into this crypto airdrop, you are going to be glad. If you have any question for me or any comments, you can drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and ask me any question you may have. I have made more than 500 videos on this channel talking about how to make money offline and online, and this is my own contribution to Nigeria. Even today that Nigeria's independence, October 1, I say happy Independence Day to all Nigerians, both living within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. There are challenges in every country. Challenges of Nigeria today is economic, and this is one of the ways to be able to make money and be able to help yourself and help your family and those close to you. So I will see you in the next video. Before then, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to see. Dr. Olugbengade Titun is my name. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.